it would all turn out fine. Yes, I knew there was no... Oh! What should I say too? Ah! I don't like being made half my number. And it could be half again. Oh! Half again? Oh no! Quick, 3, get doubling.
Double.
Oh no! I've been doubled too much.
Quick, get the number taker to halve you again.
What?
It's your only chance.
Oh dear. Number taker, bet you can't make me half a number. Now that is better. 3,